Hello my students, how are you? Grade 5. Today complete Dakahlia Government model number 12. Question number 1 shows the correct answer. 7,500 equal space times 7.5. 7.5 product by what? Equal 7,500. Look at here, the point moves the right hand side by 1, 2, 3 places. It's meaning product by 1,000. Product by 1,000 because the point here move right hand side by 3 places. So the answer here will be letter P. Next to number 2 is the value of the digit 9 in the number. 9 here lies in the tenths place. And the value will be 0.9. 9 tenths. Letter B. Next question. The prime number sum of factors is 12 will be 11. 11 is the prime number, sum of factors is 12 because 11 equal 11 times 1. We can collect 11 plus 1 equal 12. Then the answer will be 11. Understood? Because 11 equal 1 times 11 and 1 plus 11 equal 12. Then the answer will be letter D. Next question, letter B. Teacher wants to distribute 5,400 prizes equally among 60 classes. How many prizes does each class get? Divided 5,400 by 60. You can simplest by divided by 10. The result will be 540 divided by 6. Look at here, 54 divided by 6 equal 9. Then we can write 9 and 0. Then the answer will be 90. 90. The answer here will be 90 what? 90 prizes. 90 prizes. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. The value x in the equation are equal. We can find the difference between 5 and 3.2. 5 subtract by 3.2. We can equal parts here, write 5.0 subtract by 3.2. 0 minus 2 we can do it. Number 1, it will be 10 minus 2 equal 8 and 4 minus 3 equal 1. The result will be 1.8. 1.8. Next question number 2. Collect the number, write the number in standard form. We have here 600 plus 5, it will be 605. And we have 2 tenths and 3 thousandths. Okay, we haven't hundredths here. Then write 0 in this place. 605 and 203 thousandths. Next question number 3. $95 and 4 tenths product by 1 tenth. Product by 1 tenth, it will be what? It will be divided by 10. Divided by 10, move the point left hand side by 1 place. It will be 9.5 and 4. 9 and 54 hundredths. Next question. Factorize the numbers in expanded form. We have here 10, 1 lies in the tens place, and 8, and also 5 hundredths, and then 7 thousandths. Okay, it's expanded form of the number. Next question. Choose the correct answer. 16.5 centimeter to meter. To convert from centimeter to meter, you must divide it by 100. 16.5 divided by 100. Move the point left hand side by 2 places. 0.16 and 5. The result will be 165 hundredths. Next question. 4.2. Product by 1.53 is equivalent 15.3 product by what? Look at here. If we cancel the point, it will be 42 and here 153. Look at this number is similar, but the point after 1 place, here 2 places. So in the answer, the must will be what? We have 2 places also. Okay, because we have 1 place and will be 2 places. فاهمين يا ولاد؟ بص حبيبي كده، انت هتكتب هنا 42 اللي هو النمبر ده، بس تاخد بالك من البوينت بدل ما تبقى افتر 1 بليس يبقى افتر 2 بليسز. ليه؟ لان النمبر هنا كانت البوينت افتر 1 بليس وهنا افتر 2 بليسز، فلازم في الريزلت يكون equivalent، يعني هنا افتر 1 بليس وهنا تبقى افتر ايه 2 بليسز. شايفين كده؟ هوضحها لك بطريقه تانية. انا عندي هنا ال 42 over 10 equivalent 4.2، وهنا 153 divided by 10، هنا 153 divided by 100. طب هنا 15 and 3 153 divided by 10. هنا لازم اكتب 42 over كام؟ لاحظ بقى هنا 10 زي التانية وهنا 100 يبقى هنا 100. فانا معنى الكلام ان انا اقول 42 over 100 تبقى هنا البوينت افتر 2 بليسز. طبعا انت مش محتاج ده كله، انا بفهمك بس بالنظر كده تاخد بالك. هنا البوينت كانت افتر 1 بليس وهنا 2 بليسز، يبقى لازم في الريزلت 3 بليسز. انت ما عندكش الا 1 بليس يبقى هنا في 2 بليسز زيها. Next question. Approximating to the nearest whole number. Whole number here is 3. 6 can give 1. Yes. Then the answer will be 44. We have 43 and 68 hundredths. 6 can give 1 to left hand side. Yes. 3 will be 4. The result will be 44. Next question. Use Salma to pay a piece of cloth that is 3.5 meters long. If the price of 1 meter is 29.5 pounds, what is the price of the cloth that Salma put? Okay, we can find the price. The length was 3.5 meter. Product by the price of each 1 meter 29.5. We can product together. Look at the point here after 1 place and here 1 place also, then the result the point after 2 places. Then I will write here 295 product by 35. Start from right hand side. 5 times 5 25, 5 and carry up to, okay, 5 times 9 45, 45 plus 2 is 47. Write 7 and carry up 2, carry up 4. 2 times 5 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, and then write here plus 0. 3 times 5 15, 5 and carry up 1. 3 times 9 27 plus 1 equal 28. Write 8 and carry up 2. 2 times 3 6, 6 plus 2 equal 8. You can collect. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 12. 2 and carry up 1. 5 plus is 13. 3 and carry up 1. 2 plus 8 equal 10. So we have 10, 3, 2 and 5. The point will be after 2 places. 103 and 25 hundredths. Number 4. Find the greatest common factor of 6 and 8. The greatest common factor will be 2. 6 equivalent to by 3 and 8 equal to times 2 times 2. Then the greatest common factor equal to. Next question. A teacher wants to distribute 280 prizes equally among 7 classes. How many awards for each session? We can divide it 280 divided by 7 classes. 28 divided by 7 4 and write 0. The result will be 40 awards, about 40 prizes. Okay, the answer will be 40 prizes. Number 5. Samah put 7.5 kilogram of tomato, so that price of 1 kilogram is 5 pounds. What is, or how much will you pay, Grace? We can predict the price of 1 kilogram 5, then the total amount will be 5 product by 7.5. 5 product by 7.5. 5 times 5 25. Write 5 and carry up 2. 5 times 7 35. 35 plus 2 equals 37. Result will be 37.5 kilogram. Next question. Find the results. 3.2 divided by 1/10 plus 3/10. Right, 3.2 divided by summation here would be 4/10. Look at here, the divisor is a decimal. You must cancel the point by product by 10 numerator and numerator. Then the answer will be 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4 equal 8. Then the answer will be 8. Understood? We must cancel the point by product 10 numerator and numerator. Then the answer will be 32 divided by 4 equal 8. Last question. Okay, about this. Okay, we finished. Last module.